Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
So now next, Java static nested class. A static class that is created inside a class is called as the static nested class in Java. It cannot access the non-static data member and method. It can be accessed by the outer class name. Okay, a static class that is created inside a class is called as the static nested class in Java. It cannot access the non-static data member and method. It can be accessed by the outer class name. Okay, so now it can access the static data member of outer class including private. Static nested class cannot access the non-static member. Now see that by defining a class test outer one, outer two, then static int data is equals to 30. So here I define a variable static int data is equals to 30. Then now I define here static class inner. In that class, static class, I am defining a static function, static void message function. In that function, I am calling a static int data. So it is showing you 30 here. Now what happened? How you have to call? As it is a static class, then there is no need to create a object of the class. You can call the things by using the name directly. I pass here outer class object dot inner class dot message function. First, I have created the outer class object dot inner class dot message function. So it is the work of your what is it is the calling of your static function. पहले आपका outer class का object बनाना पड़ेगा, फिर inner class outer class dot inner class dot function. यहाँ पर बिना ऑब्जेक्ट के मदद से मैंने फंक्शन को कॉल कर दिया. क्लियर? Any doubt here?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Doubt.
और एक बात, okay. So first we define a class test outer one. Okay, तो पहले आप समझिए what is that static. Static क्या है उसको समझिए, फिर इसको पता चलेगा आपको. A static class is created inside a class. Static class जो है वो एक क्लास के अंदर क्रिएट होगा. ओके, तो उसको बोलते हैं स्टैटिक नेस्टेड क्लास इन जावा. जो स्टैटिक क्लास होता है वो नॉन स्टैटिक डेटा मेंबर को एक्सेस नहीं करता है. नॉन स्टैटिक मतलब जो आईएनटी ये डायरेक्टली हम डिफाइन करते हैं, वॉइड शो फंक्शन डायरेक्टली हम डिफाइन करते हैं, वो हो गया मेरा नॉन स्टैटिक डेटा मेंबर. ओके, हाँ, मतलब ओनली वन कॉपी इज क्रिएटेड. ओके, ओनली वन कॉपी is created. You cannot create a multiple copy for it. Then it can access the static data member of outer class including private. outer class का static member को कॉल कर सकता है और private member को भी कॉल कर सकता है. Static nested class cannot access the non-static data member or method. जो method और जो भी मेंबर होता है उसको कॉल नहीं कर सकता है. जावा स्टैटिक स्टैट क्लास एग्जांपल इज दिस वन. तो इसमें क्या हुआ ना, पहले मैंने आउटर क्लास बनाया, क्लास टेस्ट आउटर टू. देन एक स्टैटिक वेरिएबल है स्टैटिक आईएनटी डेटा इज इक्वल टू 30. ओके, उसके बाद और एक स्टैटिक क्लास हो गया स्टैटिक क्लास इनर. ओके, समझ में आया? ये हो गया आपका स्टैटिक क्लास. क्लास के अंदर स्टैटिक क्लास है. स्टैटिक क्लास में नॉन स्टैटिक मेंबर डिक्लेयर नहीं हो सकता है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पर स्टैटिक मेथड डिफाइन किया गया, स्टैटिक वॉइड मैसेज फंक्शन। ओके, तो आज इट इज स्टैटिक, तो इसके लिए ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। पहले मैंने आउटर क्लास का नाम दिया डॉट इनर क्लास डॉट मैसेज फंक्शन, तो ऑटोमेटिक क्या होगा, ये जो मैसेज फंक्शन है वो कॉल हो जाएगा। ओके,
Yes, sir.
स्टैटिक जो है उसे ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने की जरूरत नहीं होता है। हाँ, ऑब्जेक्ट बनने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन हर जगह स्टैटिक आप नहीं डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते। हाँ, अगर आप स्टैटिक नहीं डिफाइन करोगे, फिर आप आउटर क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाओगे, फिर आप इनर क्लास का आउटर डॉट इनर क्लास, जैसे कि पहले का जो प्रोग्राम हुआ था, तो दोबारा आपको ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा। पहले आउटर क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा, फिर इनर क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना पड़ेगा, फिर उसी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ आपको फंक्शन को कॉल करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन हाँ, तो यहाँ पर क्या है, अगर स्टैटिक आप डिफाइन कर देते हो, आउटर क्लास का नेम डॉट इनर क्लास का नेम, देन फंक्शन को कॉल कर तो हो जाएगा। ओके, okay, that program I just use here. It is showing your data is 30. Okay, or the same program. Okay, so it is clear, this program.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, so in next class we will go for the exception handling, and your next class is on 2nd January. Okay, we have holiday on 31 and 1. In advance I pray to God that this year will give you all the happiness, and at least you are able to go to your college, okay, and continue your studies. Okay, and but this year also is giving you a lot of opportunity. You can say that nobody is thinking for that day will come that we are virtually connected with you people, and we have go for this training platform. A lot of things is improved. So when I start this digital learning, for giving a training in the digital part, I hope that in the month of April I have started. Sorry, month of May I have started. I see it in the it fully dump, and I also think for that that whether I will choose this the wrong path for the giving a training. Means everything is as opened a little bit, like all the shops are open, all the things are open, but it is on the industrial part. But it is giving the lot of experience and invention to me also, to provide the good training through the online platform. And gradually I improve. I hope that I make improvement of this online platform up to 70%. I will try to improve again also by providing all the features. Okay, so when I started with my laptop. Okay, but gradually I improved the webcam, and now it is little bit different in the different environment I will get here. I get the help from Rafi also. He is suggesting that you have to use this kind of thing. Okay. So from you people, I am getting experience, and I am getting experience in my trying hit and run. So I hope this is the best part, but some kind of lackness is also there. So by the timing, we will also find out that lackness, like we can see that practical part. I'm suggesting that you have to come here and do the practical. So I will do that thing, that practically also we go for the online, and you feel free anytime you do your practicals and ask me. I will give the solution. It is not like that I'll not respond you. I will respond you. So any doubt you have and you do your practicals, I'll do it. I'll give the solution. I Okay. Uh, so you do your practical end, and I previously think for that, जैसे कि प्रोजेक्ट एक चीज होता है जो वर्चुअली भी नहीं हो सकता है, मतलब जो प्रोजेक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है. बट इस टाइमिंग में लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट आर कनेक्टेड विथ मी फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. वो भी प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं. एंड लास्ट I have spent this. I am in the education system from last 14 years, but in the IT sector, my experience is 12 years. I am in the different part, like I teach the people physics, chemistry, physics and mathematics. Okay. So later I moved to this IT sector. And in this period also, it is giving you opportunity to connect with you people also. And this opportunity is also helping me to spread our things to the abroad also. I'm connecting to the abroad people. Okay, it is not like a damaging here. It give a opportunity, but little bit is hamper. So see that if you have not the pins in a bed, then you feel that it is my end of life. I have got all the things. ये बोलते हैं ना, जब आप कांटा नहीं लगता है आप आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे. एंड इफ देयर इज ए नो हार्म्स देन यू आर नॉट गो अहेड. तो खड्डे में गिरना जरूरी है. ओके, तो आप जितना गिरोगे उतना ऊपर आओगे. अगर प्लेन रोड में जाओगे सो यू आर नॉट फीलिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. जो ड्राइवर होते हैं वो प्लेन रोड में एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होते हैं. जो खड्डा रोड है वो चलाते हैं, वहीं पर आपको एक्सपीरियंस होता है. ओके, बट डोंट waste your timing. That is my suggestion. If this thing is continue, it is not like that we are getting the vaccines in next year. It possible nahi hai. Only 30 crores of people out of 130 crores people will get the vaccine. So we are not belongs to them also. हम उसके अंदर ही नहीं है. तो in the two way we have to fight. We have to fight with the virus. We have to continue with the studies. A lot of opportunity will going to you have. So you prepare yourself. Lot of company are there to hire you. Okay, so my suggestion is that don't be like a hired. Okay, you hire the people. You become as an employer. आप employee नहीं बनो, आप employer बनो. A lot of things are there. I have some kind of C programming batches, so that student also doing some kind of IT work. They are getting some kind of project, so they able to earn what in daily basis they earn up to 500 and 600 rupees by sitting their home. They're only working 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so they are also suggesting me, sir, you have to do it. Okay, so a lot of experience I've been getting from you people also. They are working on this foreign based project. So in the lockdown they have started, now they established. So this is the one learning I get from that batch, and they're in my touch. So I tell them, you have to teach me. I want to do that thing. And by sitting off home, so when I fed up, one of my friend is there. He is also guided me that you have to include, you have to go with your tradings. आप ट्रेडिंग करो, शेयर मार्केट में आप घुसो, वहां पर काम करो. तो नॉर्मली ये डर रहता है हर हर कोई का, मैं ट्रेडिंग में घुस जाऊंगा तो मेरा मनी चला जाएगा एंड मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. सो यू कैन इमेजिन, मुझे थोड़ा डर लगा उस टाइम पर, मैं इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया. So later I have seen that my friend is working at TCS. He is saying that now I left the job. मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया क्योंकि you are getting a lot that kind of salary. ना वो सैलरी मुझे कितना देगा? अभी तो 30-40% दे रहा है, वो मिलाकर 30,000 हो रहा है. So I invest all my savings in the trading. I will get 5,000 per day. Then वो मुझे कितना देगा? वो 30,000 देगा अभी, और ज़्यादा बढ़कर 60,000 रुपया दूंगा. तो मैंने यहाँ पर अगर बैठ कर मैं 10,000 15,000 रुपया एक दिन में कमा देता हूँ, उतना पैसा मुझे कौन देगा? सो दीज आर द अपॉर्चुनिटी. बहुत सारा आदमी बहुत सारा चीज कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर यूटिलाइजिंग योर स्टडीज. सो डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइमिंग ऑन द ऑनलाइन गेम्स. Okay, so give your timing for the technology, learn a lot of technology, implement your idea, do the projects. So be the employer. Okay, so I wish this year gives you that kind of opportunity, and you are become success in your life. Okay, so my what wishes are there. Okay, so I can't say that I will bless you. Okay, so I am just like your friend. Okay, so if any doubt in anything, any part, anytime, you directly call me. And one thing is that never underestimate your parents. Okay, first, don't give what a tear in their eyes. Okay, so they are. I know I don't say that we're not see the gods, because they are living gods, and the teachers are the path makers. Okay, so give respect for them and go in a correct path. Okay, and make your career fast, focus your career, and don't stop your studies. Okay, and try to learn the innovative thing. Okay, so that wishes I'm giving in the last class of this year. So you are the people of this last class. Okay, thank you all. Okay, hope for the best. We will meet on the 2nd January. Okay, in the same time. Okay, 5:30. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Happy New Year, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.